Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. My name's Phil and here's our very nice Honda Jazz Sport in brilliant sporty blue. I do really like this red accent under here, and the running lights to sort of sweep up like that. There's quite a lot of presence to this car. I like the accent black, and then obviously you get the wheels, the sport wheels, and you get the wing backs as well, are the same. It's a really good looking car and so fun to drive. The 1.5 in it is loads and loads of torque and just enough power. As you can, sensors all the way around. The car will be thoroughly checked mechanically, and we'll have a 12-month AA roadside assistance and 12-month warranty. If you've got any questions or you'd like a detailed video, please give us a ring on 01704 500 501, where one of us can give a detailed video and answer any questions you've got. So as a sport, you get the orange accent stitch in there, obviously mirrored into the steering wheel and on the gear selector. Really nice touch screen there. It's also got the magic seats, but when you give us a ring, please do ask for that in the video and we'll show you how those work.